Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. And if I can do this, you can too. Today we're making Twix Cookies. Yes, sounds delicious, right? Well, there are a few cheats in here and a few things that aren't cheats. We're making the cookies from scratch, so that is just a shortbread cookie, which it's pretty much just butter and sugar and flour, and that's it. Goes in the oven, comes out, it cools. We take some pre-made caramels, we melt them down, put them on top, and then we melt some chocolate and put that on top. It's just like a Twix cookie. I was inspired by this song. We're making Twix, caramel is on my list. We're making Twix, shortbread, help makes this fix because Twix is on my list. Chocolate adds to this pick. Oh yes it does, chocolate on top, the caramel, the shortbread, yum. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Butter. Beat a few times. Confectioner sugar. Beat slowly at first, otherwise that powdered sugar will go everywhere. Get it nice and fluffy. Flour, vanilla extract, salt. Mix together slowly at first. We're going to roll into 1-inch balls, and notice how the shortbread is not fully combined, and that's okay. We're going to flatten each ball slightly, and you could use your hand, but I'm going to use this measuring cup I used. Dip it a little bit in water. This helps it not stick, and so we're just going to press it down just a little bit. See? See how easy that was? Bake for 12 to 14 minutes until the edges are just golden. The shortbread cookies are just starting to turn golden right around the edges. Let's take them out. They smell great. Let them cool on the pan for about 5 minutes, and then we'll let them cool completely, and then onto the caramel layer. Small saucepan, low heat. Add in your caramels, heavy cream. Stir until melted and smooth. You can see the cream is starting to get a little bit caramel colored here, so it's beginning to melt, and I can feel the softness in the caramels. It's definitely getting meltier. You can see this caramel right here is ready to fall apart. Spread the caramel on each cookie. I'm just going to do it like this. Let the caramel set for 10 minutes. Chocolate, vegetable oil, microwave in 30-second increments, and then I'll be ready to pour over the cookies. Notice how the caramel is set. I'm going to try dipping this in, and we're going to see how this method works. I'm just going to twist it. That works. That looks nice. Look at this beautiful looking Twix cookie. Look at that. Can sort of see the caramel layer in there, but not really. It's hidden by the chocolate, and the shortbread just looks great. So, you know, it's all about the taste, but come on, how could this be bad? This got shortbread, caramel, and chocolate. Yum. Let's take a bite. I mean, come on. These are outstanding. And you know what? It does taste exactly like a Twix bar, but less crunchy. And you know what? I kind of like it. The shortbread is very soft and crumbly. Again, think about that confectioner sugar that was in there. It makes it very, very smooth shortbread versus hard and crunchy. This is delightful, delicious. If I can make this Twix cookie for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, make for your family and friends, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more. And you're really going to want to make these Twix cookies.